Today's house is the result of the revitalization of a Brutalist residence built in the Brazilian capital in the 1970s, originally designed by architect Ju Filgueiras Lima, also known as Lel. The renovation was led by architect Lutero Lima from the Arquitectura studio in Brasília. With 1,968 square meters of built area on a 12,000 square meter lot, the original exposed concrete and its volumetry were preserved while incorporating modern technological solutions. The style and design language were maintained, but everything else was reimagined, a challenge due to the house's unique structure. One of the highlights is the Athos Bulcão panel. At 170.8 square meters, it is the largest piece ever installed in a private residence anywhere in the world. Supported by only 4 structural pillars, the house has 2 floors in a large concrete structure with a suspended slab held by steel tension rods, which causes the house to shift up to 2 centimeters a day, depending on the ambient temperature. Because of this movement, materials were carefully selected to withstand expansion without forming cracks or gaps. Drywall partitions and window frames were designed with a floating system to accommodate this. A new leisure area was created, which did not exist before, featuring a lounge with a gourmet kitchen, a spa, a wine cellar, spacious bathrooms, and an infinity pool. Sculptural rotating panels with Brise Soleil functionality were installed to complement the space. The landscaping was entirely designed by Lutero Lima and includes a 380-meter walking trail surrounded by grass, flower beds, fruit trees, a pergola, and a gazebo. Another standout feature is sustainability. The entire roof projection was used for the installation of solar panels photovoltaic for heating domestic water, pool, and spa. 2 underground reservoirs totaling 40,000 liters were also built to store rainwater and all treated gray water for garden irrigation, along with a 6 cubic meter composting system. To further reduce environmental impact, 4 charging stations for electric vehicles were added. Lighting, which previously had a gloomy aspect, was reworked with updated lighting design and automation systems. The lack of privacy in the original layout had long been a concern among residents. To address this, the architect applied new installation and acoustic techniques. Aesthetically, sculpted decorative elements were used to separate spaces and promote natural ventilation. Finishes include exposed concrete, wood, marble, and granite. All rooms in the house have large glass panels offering wide views of the outdoors. The living room, with glass dividers allowing a 270-degree view, provides a stunning perspective of the garden, the city, and Lake Parano.